This video is about infographic marketing in 2020 for travel professionals, and I'm Joni Ogg. Infographics have been around for a long time and have only come of age in 2020. An infographic is a collection of imagery, charts, and text that is presented in an easy to understand and graphical way that is engaging for readers and helps explain unusually complex ideas. The best infographics are usually quite colorful and capture the reader's attention with presentation, logic, and format. In 2020, anyone can create professional level infographics without having training as a graphic artist or illustrator. There are dozens of infographic development websites, and while most have free platforms with paid upgrades, this is the one time that I'm going to make a suggestion of buying one for your use. With the right tool, anyone can create infographics that will be loved by readers and be shared on social media. And infographics work for a good number of reasons. Infographics are attractive, compelling, and engaging, and improve the overall effectiveness of content for the user. People perceive infographics as visually stimulating, and their eyes will go directly to the colorful and graphical presentation. Once absorbing the infographic content, people tend to see that it contains information about the topic of the article, but it's laid out in an easy-to-read and a logical fashion. And infographics are easy to visually scan for people wanting the information embedded in the infographic. If you're presenting reasonably complex content in an article, using an infographic will certainly make it much easier for your reader to scan the content in the image, realizing that there is more detail in the article, and if they choose to read it in its entirety. But many times you can convey the key points in an infographic that will satisfy your reader. And infographics may go viral. If you have produced an engaging infographic on a travel topic, it might be shared and then shared again and again on social media. And while infographics seem best integrated into an article, most infographics are just fine standing on their own in social media posts. In fact, once you know how to create quality infographics, you can produce unique social media content that is designed to go viral. And just like memes, infographics will drive traffic to your site or social media by the inclusion of your website or other information. It is also quite easy to make the infographic clickable since it's a digital image. Using textual information such as your website address that is clickable will be certain to generate more traffic to your site, social media, or your landing page. And infographics will improve your SERPs. Since infographics are searchable, search engines will likely give your article a higher placement in search results, simply because the search engines know that users enjoy infographics, and it adds to the user's overall satisfaction with the content that you've presented. There are many more advantages to using infographics, but these are really summing up the advantages. Before you start thinking that creating an infographic is beyond your creativity and design talent, think again. There are dozens of websites that have a free platform with upgrades if you choose to do so. And you can easily create high quality and professional level infographics with absolutely no experience or training to do so. This is one of those rare occasions where we're going to tell you and suggest that you buy a lifetime license to software. But as always, we're going to share a good number of websites with you that offer free usage and also upgraded plans that are more robust. Infographia, the site is simply awesome for infographics. It does cost $49 for a lifetime of usage, which includes all updates as they are added, but it's so worth it. There are tons of templates which you can control the elements to make it distinctly your own. You import the template you want to work on into your presentation program, such as PowerPoint, Keynote, and Google Slides, and you just edit the colors, the text, and other elements. And once you're satisfied with your infographic, you simply export it as a JPEG to a folder on your hard drive. You can then insert it into an article, use it on social media, or do anything else you would like to with it. It is really easy to use, and it will make your infographics professional and engaging. VizMe.com, this is a free website where you can create infographics from a wide assortment of templates. Now, once you join VizMe, you can log on to the site, click Create, and you will be presented with a ton of templates. Once you find the one that you think would be good for your project, you simply click on Edit, and you're off and running. And while the free access is okay, they do offer 3 different upgrade programs that start at a monthly charge of $25 per month. Now, Canva.com, everyone needs to know about Canva if you haven't heard about it already. It's one of the best free graphic tools out there. And while you can easily create posters, logos, memes, and other business graphics, Canva has a robust infographics capability. Just click on the infographics link and you are given hundreds of infographic templates to choose from. All you have to do is click on one of the templates and start editing. And once again, while the free access is okay, upgrading to Canva Pro costs about $119, which many people feel is really quite worth it. Now, Snapaccom, it has a free level and it's robust. And the only real difference between the free level and the paid level, $15 a month, is a number of downloads that you can make during a month. It's super easy to do and offers a surprising number of templates and other assets for your use. Now, while Snapa's infographic capabilities are impressive, it also offers an excellent selection of social media templates that you can use to create graphics for your social media posts. Easel is another easy-to-use infographic maker. Just pick a template, edit it using Easel's library of icons, charts, illustrations, and images. And you can then download the infographic in a good number of extensions and also as embed code. They offer both a free platform and a paid platform. However, the business usage platform is only $5 per month and includes unlimited downloads and usage of their site. Animaker.com. Now, we've included Animaker in case anyone wants to start playing around with intermediate level creation of animated infographics. This site offers a free version, but I wouldn't use it unless you're getting into creating infographics and other digital content that uses animations, such as explainer videos and such. The paid version costs $19 per month. Now, this is a really cool site if you're interested in creating stunning video infographics. Biteable.com. While it has a free platform, it's a very limited and it's used to get you to buy premium membership, which may be well worth it once you see how easy it is to create engaging video infographics for social media. While there are dozens more, just Google sites like Infographia.com, and these pretty much run the gamut from super easy to operate to the more sophisticated. But rest assured that you can create compelling infographics using any one of these sites. During the COVID-19 pandemic, why not learn how to make really cool infographics? It will definitely improve your social media posts and the results. So let's go over some of the key takeaway concepts in this video tutorial. Infographics are a collection of images, charts, and text. And infographics offer many benefits that will help your website or social media posts. And infographics are easy to create even for beginners. And there are several free and there are paid infographic creation websites. We really hope that you've enjoyed this presentation on infographic marketing. If you did, why not give it a like and a share? And to know when we release more video tutorials, why not subscribe to our YouTube channel? Thanks so much for being with us today.